Looks like Bambi decided to come say hello too. I have a new 2-in-1 grill and griddle to share today. This one was pretty easy to put together. The only thing you really have to assemble is the legs, and everything else is, for the most part, put together. Now this does come with the adapter where you can do either the 1-pound tanks, or you can use the included hose for the 20-pound tank. Now what's cool is that you can remove the grill, and then you can go to using a griddle. And now we have a nice griddle. Now it does need to get seasoned before we use it. So I'm going to go ahead and get this griddle cleaned up, and then we're going to work on getting it seasoned, and then I'll do a quick demo with this. Now I would say their hose is a little on the shorter end. This also does come with the match striker if you need to use a match. Alright, so once it's nice and hot, we need to start seasoning it with a high smoke point oil. So you're going to use avocado, grapeseed, something like that. I'm going to use avocado personally. As you put more and more, it will get darker and darker, and that's what we're looking for. Now you'll see that the outer edges are going to take a little bit longer to get seasoned. And I could probably do a little bit better of a job, but let's go ahead and heat it back up. I also keep forgetting to get me some griddle tools. Well, I definitely think it works pretty well as a griddle. I really like it. It gets hot really quick. All right, we're back the next day. I thought I would do a quick grilling to finish the video. I think it's a pretty nice 2-in-1 grill and griddle. If you are looking for something like this, it can be portable and you can take it on the go, use it in your RV or camping. It works pretty well. I like that I can remove the griddle and turn it into a grill, so it's an all-in-one. Also, this one does come with a cover, so you can cover the whole unit once you're all done with it. But anyway, if you're looking for a 2-in-1 grill and griddle, this one does work pretty well. Hopefully it gives you a good idea what to expect with this one. Thank you for watching.